Oh, I've not seen this map at all before.
A series of home invasions throughout Bell County have turned into
Danny getting put on the hook. Yo! Are you ready, party?
Don't worry, Johnny. I'll help you clean this mess up.
Alright, let's run button. Have you not played this one before yet? Let me climb. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's Leatherface's family and all. Okay. Oh wait, I guess yeah, I have not been on this map at all. This is like new. When did they put this one? Yeah, well, great. I'm probably gonna do bad because I have not seen this map at all before. Let me put my wire down. Trap placed. I still make sound? That's bullcrap. Let me get this. I think it's a good thing I brought Nancy, because oh my gosh. She puts tripwire down, and if they go through it, they make a whole lot of noise. And they keep making noise until they take off the barbed wire. Oh, it will come up. That is a question, my guy. Oh, I saw someone. I saw someone unlocking the door. Oh, I found Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. I just randomly ran around and I walked by him. Okay, bud. Where did I go? Oh, it's right here. Hello.
Pretty little face of yours.
Come here, Connie.
Careful.
Where you going, little lady? Little lady.
Someone help!
Dude, I have to run all the way around. Yes, I shall stab you until you are dead. No, she's not. No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not. I'm chasing the person. Yo, where did the person go? I ran out of stamina. Yo, where did she? Oh, she's. I found her. Come here, Nancy just wants a little. Bruh. I know. I chased Connie down to basement. I can't. I'm still chasing this person. That's me. I'm Grandma. I'm Nancy. Yeah, she's right here. She's like, she has to be low health right now. She's making a lot of sound. This girl's bright yellow. She's bright yellow, bruh. Come here. There we go. I got one. I killed her in front of Grandpa. Yo, what? Two people died? Oh, that person just did. It didn't even show up that you did. When? Yo, I am covered in blood. Yo, where did you come from? Alright, I need more traps. Oh, that's poison. Grandpa's hungry again? Dang.
This type of behavior tends to occur when you go moseying around other people's homes.
Wait. What?
There's things in this house.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Somebody's hurting real bad.
Wait, that's another section of the map? Dang, this map is huge. Huh? Down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't go down there. I can't even see if... Oh wait, let me use my ability. Where's the survivor?
I promise.
Someone's in the basement still, bruh.
To handle. I can't.
Someone... Ah, you just swung at me! What do you mean, who am I?
Help this, but
Someone's
ain't none of y'all
downstairs.
getting out
Someone's
of
in the
here
basement.
alive.
No, you're not! You're stabbing me! Oh my...
Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Just look at my Johnny.
I looked through their eyeballs and they're in basement. Yo,
This constant running around.
I think I just heard somebody.
Little tiresome now.
Yo, open the door? This is the poison station. Why does... Okay, whatever. Yo, he's right there. How did you not see this guy? Bro.
That's the door.
He's upstairs now.
Like we got you now. Let's
Yo,
see
where...
this goes.
Yo, if you didn't run, you could have hid away. Yo, I need my stamina. Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Yo, there you go. There you go. Then what did I take? What was that? Alright, let me use my ability. Let's see. Dude's in a bush. No, he's not. He's in a bush. He's in a bush. Upstairs, bro. I don't know where it... I only saw a bush. He's in a bush. Okay, buddy. I'm not freaking sissy. Why am I getting the powder? What? I am so confused. How do I make my barbed wire? That's what my character does.
Where is it exactly you think you're going?
You gotta be close.
Hey, help the flowers. Real good.
Huh?
Every time it's grandpa's hungry again, it just kills me, bro.
I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Oh, I'm sorry to tell you this, but ain't
Oh, I
none
found
of y'all
Grandpa.
getting out of here alive. This house ran much better when you
Yeah.
was running things.
There, now we'll be able to know where this freaking dude is. He's full, man. Where's he at?
Johnny,
What?
I know they're here. Somewhere.
He's in a building. Yeah, I looked through his eyeballs. This is moving.
Your little friend had
Oh, he's in basement.
Now where are you squirming off to?
Don't fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
Yep, me too. Come here, man. We just want to give you a big old hug. Here, play for me.
Where is it exactly you think you're going?
Really?
Thing like that, I swear it's.
Bodies when you plant them. They help the flowers real good.
Well, he's upstairs now, bro. He's by Sissy. He's over by Sissy. He's going in. Don't go in basement again, bro. Sissy killed him? No, I did. I took Sissy's kill. Yo, what is Sissy doing, though? Yo, I am covered in blood. Yeah, we won.
My Johnny.
Stay away from my Johnny. Other face, you weren't even here. What are you doing? He is swinging.